Hi guys, I'm Shane. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Gomane. I share business ideas that we can all relate to as South Africans. So if you like the type of content that I create, please consider to subscribe, hit the notification button so you'll be notified each and every time whenever I post a video. So guys, today we are going to talk about how you can start a party decor business in South Africa. So guys, we all know that all social events need someone to decorate them. So this creates a market for event decorators, and it's currently busy because right now it's festive season. There's a lot of events that are happening. So guys, as a decorator, you will be working at all kinds of parties and events, that is from your birthday parties to corporate events. So it is always good to specialize, because when you specialize, you will become an expert on a certain niche, and that will be useful to you because you will be able to charge more money for your services. So please keep in mind that this particular business does not have high barriers to entry, but it is very demanding on your time, and you will always be in a rush to meet certain deadlines. So guys, you need to have experience before you can get started with this business. You might be naturally good when it comes to decorating, but you need a little bit of experience. Getting experience will get you up to date with the latest decor trends, and that will allow you to always be ahead of the game. And again, when you've got experience, it will also help you to be able to choose a certain niche that you would like to specialize in, or that you would like to focus on in your business. So you can run this particular business from home, or you can run this business from a small office. But as I always try, by all means, to advise you to start small, and then you can go big as time progresses. I highly recommend that you operate from home, because the things that you will be doing mostly, it will be to send out emails, to send out invoices and quotations, and to make phone calls when you are not in a meeting or when you are not doing the actual decor. So networking is very, very important when it comes to this particular business. You need to network with other entrepreneurs that are in the event business, because guys, that is where you are going to get most of your clients, and that is where you are going to get business from. So you need to try, by all means, that you network with event planners. So guys, you also need to provide or to deliver exceptional services. You will need to deliver on time, because you really need clients to refer you to other people. So they won't refer you if you have been stressing them out by delivering poor services. So please make sure that you get that right. So guys, you will need to advertise your business as well. So there's a lot of ways that you can use to advertise your business. You can advertise your business through social media, and you can also advertise your business through maybe in to your local radio station. You can just go there and try to advertise your business, or you can actually issue out flyers. But it is very important for you to actually advertise your business. And when it comes to materials that is required for you to get started into this business, you don't necessarily need to buy one. You can rent them out. But if you want to save like money, and you have money to buy this equipment, you can actually do some research on where you can buy these materials. So the decor business is not easy, and it requires hard work and a lot of time. So please keep in mind that you will need to have a professional business plan before you can get started, and you need to register your business for tax purposes. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.